Welcome back to Tightwad Workshop. We've now built a couple of projects using the Group D toolkit, so it's time to add the last items to this collection. We've finally arrived at the Prince of Woodworking tools, the plane. This one isn't really of royal quality, but it's a whole lot better than no plane at all. I recommend this one because it's cheap, readily available, not missing any parts, and unlikely to be pre-damaged. And if it is damaged, you can just exchange it for a new one. It certainly won't be your only plane, but going through the process of setting it up and tuning it is going to teach you a lot about what you want in your next plane. If you want higher quality from the start, you can buy a quite decent brand new Stanley No. 4 plane for about $150. Or you can go to eBay and find plenty of vintage used No. 4 planes for around $45, including shipping. Whichever path you go down, you're going to have to invest some time in learning how to clean, tune and sharpen the plane. Even a brand new one is very rarely usable straight out of the box. We use the coping saw to cut holes in boards, cut curved shapes out of plywood, and to clean up the corners of cuts that we can't reach with an ordinary saw. The coping saw has replaceable blades. This particular set comes with several spares. If your drill didn't come with a set of spade bits, now's probably a good time to get them. Because I'm mostly working with metric, I've got a metric set here, and I found the most commonly used sizes are 10, 12, 16, 18 and 19. If you're in a country that's got more inch-based stuff, just get the equivalent sizes in inch. You can probably get a set like this for about $10. At the time I recorded this video, I was able to buy the plane and the coping saw brand new for $38.98. If you already own either of these tools, or you can find them used, you can probably equip yourself for even less. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.